Hey, it's Ye for Yarn, and today I'm going to show you some of the best online Black Friday deals for yarn crafters. So this year I've put together a collection of what I think are some of the best Black Friday deals that you can take advantage of online without having to go into a bunch of stores. So you will find the entire post with all of the items that I have selected in the link in the description box. Just a heads up, all of the links to the items in that post are affiliate links, which means if you make a purchase through one of those links, I may receive a small commission, but it won't cost you any extra, and it helps support Yay for Yarn. So this post includes a lot of really good deals. Amazon has a lot of great discounts on select yarns. Lion Brand Yarn has 35% off some of their most popular yarn and kits. Craftsy is doing all of their classes for $15 or less, which is huge because a lot of the classes are $49 or $69 regular price. They also have up to 70% off of kits and supplies at craftsy.com, and the Blueprint class subscription, where you can sign up and get access to tons and tons of classes on different topics, is down to $7.99 a month for Black Friday, and it's normally $14.99 a month. Joann has Bernat blanket yarns on sale, baby yarns on sale, Premier Sweet Roll yarns, and actually all their yarns are on sale at up to 40% off. Walmart also has some great deals. They have quite a few yarns on sale, crochet hooks, knitting looms, and even pom-pom makers are on sale at walmart.com. And last but not least, Furls Crochet has quite a few deals for Black Friday, up to 40% off. They have coupon codes for off of a certain amount of money in your cart. And they also have bundle discounts where the more hooks you buy of the same type, the more you get off of your purchase price. So if you're interested in any of these deals, you can just click the link in the description box, and that will take you to my Black Friday blog post where you will find all the deals mentioned in this video and more. I hope you find a great deal on something you love, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.